Mastering phrasal verbs, look after. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrasal verb in English, look after. Understanding phrasal verbs is crucial for English fluency, and look after is one that you'll hear often in everyday conversation. So, let's get to the bottom of what it means and how you can use it like a native speaker. Grab your notebook, and let's get started. The phrase, look after, is a phrasal verb, which means it's a verb plus a preposition that, together, take on a new meaning. When we say, look after, we're not talking about looking in a direction or observing something. Instead, look after means to take care of someone or something, ensuring they're okay while someone else is away or busy. For example, I need to look after my little brother this weekend. Can you look after my plants while I'm on vacation? Notice how look after involves responsibility and care. It's often used to speak about taking care of people or duties. Look after is not limited to just taking care of people. It's versatile. You can look after a house, a pet, a project, or even one's health. This versatility makes it a phrase worth mastering. Consider these examples. She is looking after the office while we are out for a meeting. I've been looking after my health more since the new year started. Like any verb, look after can be used in different tenses. Here's how it works. Present simple, I look after my garden. Present continuous, I am looking after the baby now. Past simple, he looked after the cat last week. Future simple, they will look after the house when we leave. Practicing look after in different tenses can help you get comfortable with its usage in various contexts. A common mistake learners make is confusing look after with look for. Remember, look for means to search for something, while look after means to take care of something. Keep this difference clear in your mind to avoid misunderstandings. To help you practice, here are a few exercises. Try to fill in the blanks with the correct form of look after. 1. Can you blank my dog while I'm out? 2. Marry blank the children yesterday. 3. Who will blank the business while you're away? Answers. 1. Look after. 2. Looked after. 3. Look after. That's a wrap on our exploration of the phrasal verb, look after. I hope this video makes it easier for you to understand and use this phrase with confidence. Remember, the key to mastering phrasal verbs is practice, so use look after as much as you can in conversation or writing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to look after your English skills every day. See you in our next video.